Guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to be showing you how to make vegetable soup. Like, there is other simple ways to make these vegetable soup, but if you want to have that quality vegetable soup for your risotto, or you want to eat it with pasta, or you just want to have it like that, you need to try this recipe. So inside here I have all the vegetables, and I'm going to be listing it at description for you guys to see, okay? But I'm going to call the name. Like, here I have some spinach, I have some carrots, I have some cauliflower, which is optional, I have onion, I have mixed herbs here, like mixed seasoning or spice seasoning here, fresh one, but you can use frozen one or dry one if that is what you want. This helps to give it that aroma inside. I have so many vegetables, about more than 5 vegetables here, so please check the description to see the vegetables I'm using. So guys, I'm going over the ingredients again. Like I said, I'm going to list everything in the description, okay? So among all the vegetables, I'm going to be using salt and extra virgin of olive oil as well. So all the vegetables are well clean, like very clean. So I'm going to add everything into my pot. I'm using a pressure cooker here, but you can use any pot of your choice, okay? So after adding all the vegetables into my pot, I'm going to add water to be at the same level with the vegetables. So after, I'm going to add salt. Then after the salt, I'm going to add about a quarter of extra virgin of olive oil. Make sure you're using Evo. Evo is extra virgin of olive oil for this, okay? So I'm giving them a quick stir now. Then I'll put the lid on and place them over the heat to cook. I love to cook this for about 2.5 minutes at the minimum, like at the lowest heat. But if you don't have the patience to cook your own up to 2 hours, after 1 hour is enough, or until the water drop halfway, okay? So here is after the water. As you can see, the water have dropped. It's almost half now. So I'm going to filter the vegetable broths and take out the vegetables and everything, because what we are looking for here is the liquid. But for the vegetables I use, you can actually eat the vegetable. Like my husband ate this one with vinegar, olive oil and salt. It's really good with vegetables. And for the vegetable broth, I use it for risotto, or I use it to eat pasta. Like when it's hot, add a little bit of cheese inside my own portion and I will have it like that. You can do a lot with this vegetable and it takes so well. So I hope you enjoy watching this video, guys. If you did, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, share this video, and I will see you all in my next video. Like I said, don't throw the vegetable away. Just add some vinegar and salt, olive oil, and enjoy your vegetable while you're enjoying your vegetable broth. Bye.